Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the circle wave effect in Geometry Dash. This unique visual technique transforms the standard wave game mode into a captivating circular motion. It requires careful attention to detail, particularly in placing blocks and configuring triggers. By understanding these core principles, you can significantly elevate your level design and create truly memorable gameplay experiences for players. Let's dive into the specifics of making this happen. To construct a convincing circle wave, you'll primarily use solid blocks and slopes. These form the physical pathway that your wave icon will follow. Invisible blocks are also incredibly important. They help maintain the circular illusion without obstructing the player's view. Think of them as hidden guides. Additionally, strategically placed spikes or saw blades can serve as visual cues, defining the outer edges of your circular design and adding to the challenge. Precision and placement is key here. Triggers are the heart of a smooth circle wave. The move trigger is your best friend, allowing you to precisely control the wave's movement along the circular path using specific X and Y offsets. Experiment with different values to achieve the desired curve. Alpha triggers can be used to make certain blocks or decorations appear and disappear, adding a dynamic element. Furthermore, rotate triggers can enhance the visual appeal of your level, making the environment feel more alive around the circular motion. Perfecting your circle wave takes practice and patience. Always test your creation frequently to catch any snags or areas where the wave doesn't flow smoothly. Make small, incremental adjustments to your block placements and trigger settings until the movement feels just right. Don't be afraid to iterate multiple times. Also, study other well-made circle wave levels in Geometry Dash. They can offer valuable insights and inspire new, creative ways to implement this challenging, yet rewarding technique in your own designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.